I'm bored of rasam and sambar. So we'll make some pulao or biryani. I'm fine with pulao, but what pulao? I mean coriander and mint pulao. Okay, let's start the recipe. So let's take a look at the pulao ingredients. So 1/4 cup of basmati rice soaked in water for 20 minutes. Then tomatoes and carrot, a bunch of mint, one small piece of ginger, 2 green chili, and 1 bunch of fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, and clove, garam masala, turmeric, ghee, oil, bay leaf, cashews, and salt. Let's start the recipe. Now let's grind few ingredients for pulao. 1 bunch of mint, 1 bunch of coriander, ginger and green chili. Add little water and grind it to a smooth paste. Here we have the mint and coriander grinded. The cooker is hot. Now let's start adding ingredients. So now I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. So now I am adding 1 spoon of oil. 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, 5 clove, 1 spoon fennel seeds, 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, some cashews. Now I am giving it a mix. Medium-sized tomatoes, saute it till the raw smell goes. The tomatoes are mushy now. Now let's add the carrots. I am adding 2 small carrots. Saute it. I am adding half spoon of turmeric, spoon garam masala, saute it. Now let's add the mint and coriander paste. Them evenly. One 1/4 cup of basmati rice. I am adding 2 cups of water. Salt to taste. Give it a good mix. I have drained the basmati rice. Now I am adding it. Evenly. Close the cooker. Let's cook for 2 whistles. The pressure is settled. Let's open the cooker. The tasty pulao is ready now. Let's give it a gentle mix. It smells awesome. Coriander and mint pulao is ready. Can we taste it? Yes. it's very hot and it's cooked perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, like, share, try this pulao and tell how it comes in the comment, and subscribe to Kavya and Pappu's kitchen. Click the bell icon so you'll get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.